Are you an aspiring musician? Or maybe you've been a musician that's been playing for years. Did you know that Mississauga Library can offer musicians aspiring to pro some helpful resources to help support your goals? Here's how. Number 1, you can access ArtistWorks, an online music instruction platform with your Mississauga Library card or even a virtual card. These are full online courses that are perfect for the beginner, intermediate, or advanced musician. Learn from Grammy-nominated instructors in guitar, piano, drums, ukulele, and many more instruments. Check the description to learn how you can get started with ArtistWorks. Number 2, you can borrow musical instruments. At the time of this video, you can borrow an acoustic guitar, either right-handed or left-handed, from the Port Credit Library. However, more guitars and instruments will be added to other locations in the future. You could borrow the guitar for a week to practice at home. The guitar case comes with everything a beginner would need to get started. Glockenspiels are also available at several locations across the city. Check the description to find instruments in the catalog. Number 3, you can book some time at the Hazel McCallion Central Library Recording Studio to have access to even more instruments. Library card holders can book up to 3 hours in the studio and have access to guitars, a bass, a MIDI keyboard, and even an electric drum kit. If you're booking the room to learn or practice an instrument, consider borrowing a tablet from the device lending kiosk to access ArtistWorks. You can also use the space to play with other musicians. The studio can accommodate up to 6 people. And lastly, the studio is equipped with all kinds of recording equipment and software. Check the description to find out how you can book some time in the Hazel McCallion Central Library Recording Studio. Number 4, at the time of this video, you can book recording booths at Malton, Courtney Park, and Hazel McCallion Central Libraries. Whether you're recording an album or just recording your progress, these recording studios come complete with studio-quality microphones, speakers, Logic Pro, and all the equipment you'll need to record your sound. Check the description to learn how you can book time in any one of our recording studios. Now that you know all the ways Mississauga Library can support you in becoming or bettering yourself as a musician, take advantage of all these resources today. Visit MississaugaLibrary.ca to learn more.